Good evening, everyone. This is Mrs. Bonet, and I will be showing you today the week 5 assignments for sociology class. I'm going to go ahead and begin sharing my screen so that you are able to view the information and where to locate it. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is go into my Shobi account and click on the particular block that you have me for sociology. So it's either going to be sociology A block or sociology E. You will then proceed to the online learning week 5 folder. The folder is in red, and you will click on that. Last week, we wrapped up the social stratification unit. This week, we are introducing groups and organization unit. You will first need to read the full section for groups and organization, the full unit. It has 3 different sections. And at the end of this reading, you will find the key terms with their particular definitions. As in past unit readings, you will be responsible for creating a Quizlet with those words at the end of the chapter, as well as the definitions that you'll find there. You will then upload the Quizlet link as a comment to this folder for a grade. The next step is going to be 3 different worksheets that relate to each of the sections that you will be reading for groups and organization unit. The first section is section 6.1, and these are the different types of groups. This worksheet will contain 3 questions that you will need to answer as it relates to the reading. Please be sure that with these short answers, you use at least a minimum of 5 sentences, but no more than 10 sentences. So there is a total of 3 questions. Make sure that you are reading the sub-questions in each of the questions so that you're answering them to the fullest potential. There's question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. The next one will be an activity worksheet for leadership. This one is connected to section 6.2 as it relates to group size and structure. You will need to record on this worksheet the answers for questions 1 all the way up to 13, and then proceed to the website listed on this worksheet so that you're able to transfer those questions, or those answers rather, to determine what your leadership style is. I have already completed this by just checking anything so that you are able to see that at the end, once you've completed the last question, you will have an explanation of what your leadership style is. So you will need to go ahead and either highlight the information or write exactly what it says on the worksheet found on Shobi. You could also upload a screenshot of this actual information. The last activity that you'll be doing for this week as it relates to groups and organization is organizations. That is the section 6.3, and you will need to view a video that explains what is McDonaldization. This relates to formal organizations, section 6.3. You will have questions to answer, and that will be the assignments that are due for week number 5. Our Zoom sessions will be for Sociology A block on Monday at 11 a.m. and Sociology E block on Wednesday at 11 a.m. Be sure to be on the lookout for a morning email the day of your session so that you are able to enter that particular session appropriately. Please remember that it's very important to follow the new security rules for the protection of both you and the teacher. Should you have any questions or concerns, feel free to email me at nma2@pacehs.com. I look forward to seeing many of you at our Zoom live sessions.